In today's class, we will learn how to draw and color the Royal Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger is a population of the Panthera tigris and it ranks among the biggest wildcats alive today. The Bengal tiger's coat is yellow to light orange with stripes ranging from dark brown to black. There are less than 2,500 Bengal tigers remains in the entire world. A fully grown Bengal tiger weighs 450 to 550 pounds and they can live up to 25 years. To know more about Royal Bengal tiger, please Google him. Thank you.